Hey, what are today's messages? Let's pick the striped envelope today. And the crystal looks like an alien face. Unleash. Hold nothing back. Expand into the universe. Dead fish, go with the flow. And the animal today? Unicorn, infinite possibilities. You are the sovereign of the seen and unseen worlds. The magic of love surrounds you. Beauty transforms you. Listen to the spirits of light. Abandon the darkness. Go beyond the ordinary and become the legendary. And our quotes today. Keep showing the world who you are because you are amazing. If it makes you happy, it doesn't have to make sense to others. Don't let age change you. Change the way you age. I hope you understand that you've changed me for the better. There's nothing wrong with having a tree as a friend. Bob Ross. And the last one today. Emotional maturity has nothing to do with age. It's the ability to self-regulate, self-reflect, and hold space for other people's emotions. The holistic psychologist. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.